Hey cat lovers, it's Shani, Certified Feline Training and Behavior Specialist with Wild at Heart. And did you know that some medications for cats can be done in a transdermal form? And all you're doing is you are wiping it on the inside of your cat's ear. She never lets mama have the spotlight. She's always got to be number one. She wants to smell it. Yeah, she's not a huge fan of this med, but it's super easy. So some of the meds that I know that come in transdermal, she is hyperthyroid. So this is her thyroid medication. They also do Kitty Prozac, which I know when you do orally is pretty bitter, and it sometimes causes more suffering to the cat because they hate the med so much. So if you get it in a transdermal form, it's so much easier, and I will show you how this works.
So it looks almost like what I call a lipstick or a chapstick. And so you twist the bottom and the meds come right out the top. And then you wipe it right the inside of the ear. Good girl. You got something on your face. Mama got it. Good girl.
And just a side note, technically you're supposed to wear gloves with this medication, and I just don't. I make sure I don't get it on my hands, and then I immediately wash my hands after using it. So just a side note for anyone that's gonna give me shit about that. So how it works for her and her hyperthyroid medication is she gets it twice a day. In the morning, she gets it in the right ear, and then at night, she gets it in the left ear. So for cats, giving them medication can be so tricky, not like dogs where you can put a pill in a hot dog and toss it into a dog's mouth. That's not always gonna work for cats. And specifically, having cats take pills can be pretty difficult. Even when you try to open the pill and put it in the food, they're so sensitive to taste, and a lot of the pills are either really bitter or just gross, and they don't want to take their meds. So ask your vet if you can do a transdermal version of your meds. Game changer, y'all. Game changer. Specifically for this bee.